When I make broccoli like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting a broccoli into pieces, this way. This recipe is amazing. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Once this is done, I will transfer the chopped broccoli to a pan and add water to cover everything. Then I will put a tablespoon of milk, a teaspoon of salt, and I will stir well to mix the ingredients. I'll let you cook now. Done this, I will add a little olive oil in a pan, and I will spread with a brush to grease. Then I will transfer the cooked broccoli to the pan. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jason Green from England. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'm gonna cut a tomato into small pieces, like that. This recipe has become routine here at home, will become routine in your home too. Then, I'll do with an onion the same as I did with the tomato. I'll cut into small pieces. Then I will add a tablespoon of butter in a pan to melt. I will stir to facilitate. Now I will add the chopped onion in the pan and stir to sauté. Then I will also add the tomato, and I will continue stirring, so that it sautés along with the onion. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper and stir again so that the ingredients are added to the recipe. Done this, I will add a tablespoon of wheat flour, and I will stir once more. Finally, I will put 200 grams of heavy cream, and I will mix one last time so that all the ingredients are added to the recipe. Then I'm gonna transfer that mixture into the container with the broccoli. Finally, I will add some mozzarella to taste over our recipe, but this part is optional. You can use as much as you want, but I will put a lot because I love cheese. I'm gonna bake in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.